a walking shark. He's on the prowl. Forcing a jet of water through his muscular gills, he hoovers up his cornered victims. But he's caught in a race against time. Oxygen levels in the pool are falling fast. With an hour till the tide returns, he's close to death. But these extreme conditions trigger an extraordinary physiological response, slowing his breathing, even shutting down part of his brain. He enters a self-induced coma. One last breath, and he can survive for an hour. Finally, the tide turns, immersing him in oxygen-rich waters. A miraculous resurrection.